Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we are starting off warm today, and we will end up being hot and humid in the afternoon. 75 degrees by around 7 o'clock. We'll lose a couple of degrees over the next hour or two, but not that many because of the cloud cover that's around the region and a southwesterly wind flow pumping in moisture. 20% chance of showers, I'll give it during these morning hours close to the coastline. A few will be around, and don't think we'll see anything terribly heavy, or I don't think we'll see a lot of thunderstorm activity. But we could see an isolated moderate shower move on shore. Those showers will begin to build in inland areas a little bit later on in the afternoon. And as we head into the noon and 3 p.m. hour, we'll up the rain chance to about 40%. But again, that'll be for mostly inland showers, and those will continue to drift further away from the coast, leaving the coastline pretty quiet. 85 degrees our daytime high, 78 degrees by 7 p.m. with only a 20% chance of showers. Should be a pretty nice day, I think, for most of us after we get rid of the chance of a scattered morning shower along the more populated areas. Right now, not a lot going on. During the overnight, we did have some pretty good showers that moved through around 9 o'clock last night. We had a big thunder boomer move through areas around Venice, Inglewood, lifting up toward Wauchula. Other than that, things were pretty quiet over the last 24 hours, and except for a few clusters of showers out in Gulf waters, things pretty quiet over the Suncoast at this moment. The area of low pressure, which we have been watching for days out in Gulf waters, which at one point had the potential for some minor tropical development, is now over land. And you can kind of see it right here in these spinning areas of radar echoes make that out. That's the low pressure area, and as it moves over land, it tends to just fall apart and get absorbed by a frontal boundary located back to the west. So its impact on our weather becomes lessened, and consequently our rain chances are going to go down just a little bit today. And with that southwest wind, that generally favors morning showers near the coast and inland showers a little bit later on. And that's the scenario we're locked into today. Yeah, we get a little bit of cloud cover around here, but we'll also see plenty of sunshine as well. The water vapor imagery shows the return of moisture across the southern tip of the state, but there's some very dry air back to the west. Some of that may rotate around and fill in too as we head into the afternoon. Again, reducing rain chances just a little bit. Right now, 77 sticky degrees out there with a dew point value of 73. That is totally a summer-like feel to the air out there. A little bit of cloud cover as well. South wind comes breezy at 11 today, but probably not as strong as it was yesterday. So our low pressure area lifts north, absorbed by a frontal boundary. The deep southerly flow of air continues across the state. We get warm, muggy days. Now, the thing is that over the course of the next several days, we get a kind of a southwesterly wind, which will tend to push showers toward the other coast. Now, over the weekend, we'll probably see a wind reversal coming at us from the southeast, which will tend to push the showers back toward the coast. And consequently, you'll notice in the 7-day forecast that our shower chances over the weekend will be going up. That's why. Forecast looking like this. We'll have a daytime high today that tops out warm near about 85. Skipped over boating there, but I'll tell you that the boating forecast calls for a wind out of the south at about 10, shifting a little more southwest, and a moderate chop. 40% chance of rain showers, mostly inland later in the day. Same thing I think will hold true tomorrow. And then on the weekend, our rain chances go up a little bit for the coastline as the showers building inland are pushed back toward the coast. And then next week, we'll keep rain chances in the forecast.